here's how you can make an assignment in the Android phone. So let's get started. If it's your first time in here, definitely subscribe for more tips and videos like this one. So it kind of depends on what exactly you want to achieve, or what the goal is of your assignment or whatever. But usually you need to use some sort of processing document to make it work. And there are more apps for document creation. For example, there's the Microsoft Word, which you can download for free. Obviously, there is a subscription which you might need to pay to access some features, right? But that is definitely one option. So if I get inside like that, you can see that I can either work with an existing document by clicking on the folder icon and importing this from my device or cloud storage or anything like that, or I can tap the plus button and start a new one, for example, from scratch, meaning I pick the blank document, or I choose any of the templates right here, which I can work on, edit, and then export. So when you are done, you just tap on a share and export it as Word or PDF. So that is one app which you might want to use. Outside of that, of course, we have the Google Docs, which is another very solid choice and also freely available on the Play Store, perhaps even already installed on your phone. So you can go to the Docs right here and basically perform the very same thing. Like, you can open an existing document if you have it, but you can as well tap the plus button and choose a template or start a new one where you can fill it up with whatever you want to work on or write in there. So it really depends, and it comes down to the actual nature of the assignment. But I just wanted to guide you through it. Like, these are the two most popular apps through which you can export the finished document as a PDF or Word. So I hope I was able to quickly assist you with it. In case of any further questions, let me know about those below in the comments. But I'm going to wrap it up. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you then.